This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
An actual trunk, because like the smell doesn't get in as much.
Jesus! Man, get off the... Holy sh... See, alright, I won't be able to see that on the camera.
Sending that to Dashcam Nation. Jesus, criminally. Oh my god.
Do you get the sense that the Chinese government listened to you? Do you imagine there will be any change in Russia?
God damn it! You
Stupid! At the highest levels in my meetings, that the United States will not tolerate
Start recording emergency video.
Let's go. Are you kidding me? I'll call the cops, don't worry. I'll call the cops, don't worry.
It's your fault.
What are you doing, you idiot? Goddamn stupid retard. First gear.
Am I supposed to let this go? Yeah, back the
Go.
Oh, yeah. Hit the bicyclist. Nice one.
If you hit him, I have a camera, so if they want to hit you.
Why the f is he trying to talk to me right now?
Sometimes we are on rush. We have someone sick at home, right?
Right, but you're honking the car for no reason. She's trying to learn, and you have no clue what's going on, and you're being aggressive.
On back, so shut.
Okay?
You're
And
clearly in a rush, dude. You're clearly in a rush.
I'm Tori Peck, San Diego Traffic. This report is sponsored by the County of San Diego Health and Human Services. Child Abuse Prevention Month is about taking action as a community to recognize and prevent child abuse. Ensure the community is a great place for children to thrive.
They just hit me. Oh, for f***'s sake.
device name like phone or USB.
On 287.
Let me see. Once I get up to this light, I'll see. It's 280 south, heading towards Longmont. I think this is Highway 66. Looks like they just pulled over to the side of the road and one guy got out and they're about to fight or something. I'm just driving by him now.
Okay.
Let's see. This is...
What do you mean when you say they're about to fight?
It looks like the one guy is getting aggressive with other guys coming up to his window. It's on Park Ridge Avenue.
Damn you, stupid mother! What the?
Chasing a Boxster.
Crash! Oh my god, bro, you're embarrassing. Your truck's gonna fly apart.
Look at that one. That's nice.